Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Dermoepidermal junction. Dermoepidermal junction is also called as basement membrane zone. The important role of dermoepidermal junction is adhesion and signaling. Major component of dermoepidermal junction is type 4 collagen. So, in the dermoepidermal junction, we have hemidesmosomes which contains plectin and integrin. There is lamina lucida which contains laminin and anchoring filaments. There is lamina densa which contains type 4 collagen. There is sublamina densa with anchoring fibers, and it also contains type 1 and type 3 collagen.
thank you and thank you for watching.